This is a certified hood classic.
This Chicago, nigga!
Fuck a beat, I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case, bitch, I did the race.
What's good, YouTube? We are at the Boca Mall, bro, and we're lit, man. Wait, open the door. Like, open this one. Yeah. Oh, that's lit. How you like close it though? That shit's clear. Oh, that's lit. They got everything in. They have every. I think it's nice, bro. Wait, don't they have like massage? You can massage your like back or something.
I don't know.
Bro, this junk is lit, bro. It's a Tesla. Bro, get in, bro. What you doing? This car is lit. It's like a big iPad thing right here, bro. Lit. Bro, my
Go on the red one.
You wanna go on the red one?
Then it's your favorite color.
It is my favorite color, G. Hold on.
Get outside of the whip too.
Bro, that bit open by itself, bro. That's lit. Wait, clean. Clean. Okay. Oh, I just bought a tester. You gotta take my picture, dog. Look at the roof. I'm on that bit.
How much this car cost?
It'd be like 100,000, man.
More than that, probably.
Don't do it. This one don't have like the automatic open like the other one.
Yeah, the X is the only one like that. This is like kind of just manual doors where the handles pop out.
Is it like a sporty version?
Well, we do have a sports like type battery for the same car, but it will literally perform 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds.
Stupid. Hey, I did the most for the bands. Niggas can't tell me shit. New ice in it.
Bro, we got all these bed, bro. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that bit went off. 4, 5. It's still over there. 6, 7. Bro, they won't let me record, bro, so I can't really record shit like that, bro. Ooh, I can't really record shit like that, so yeah, it's that way. It's boom gang, you know what I'm saying? So you feel me? We got ying yong 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 yong. Then we got woo. Then we got meow. Yeah, cat. Huh? What do? I think it'll be like that. But yeah, man. You finna. Oh, so I can't see myself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know. Hello. Yeah, but we finna fuck this up right now. Huh? Huh? Oh my god. This looks so good. Oh my god. Y'all want a piece, bro? Let me get y'all a piece, bro. Here y'all go, bro. Damn, y'all done ate that bitch. Y'all done ate that. I'm gonna get one more bite, bro. One more bite, bro. Alright guys, they really didn't let us record in there. Like every time I started recording, people was like the security in there was asking me to like stop recording and stuff and telling me that I can't record. So this track coming out, you know, to Boca Mall. But right now, bro, we finna go back to the crib and probably watch movies or some shit. I don't know. But I'll see you guys there. Oh. What's good, vlog, man? My dog here. Alright, bro, now we about to get lit now. Lit, bro. I don't know what we about to do, but we about to get lit, so yeah. Alright, bro, we at Walmart, dog. You feel me? You feel me, man?
She was like, sir.
Huh?
I walk out there, she was like, sir. You gonna pay for them pills?
All right, bro. So we about to make a video. This is how you steal one-on-one.
Oh, you
All right.
dumb. Oh, you dumb, bro.
This how you steal. You got to steal like us, bro. So we steal it, bro. Oh shit, we are like, oh shit. This camera is bringing too much attention. Let me hide it real quick. Hold on. I'm tying up, bro. Tying up, bro. Let me tell the story.
I'll be back.
Let me tell the story, bro. Oh shit. Bro, I'm about to do that hood slip and slide, bro. Alright, go. Let's go. You better ask this girl, did she suck dick, bro? You better ask the girl, did she suck dick, bro?
Hey, you suck dick.
Hold on, bro.
Stupid. Hey, I did the most for the bands. Niggas can't tell me shit. New ice in the dance, swimming like Phelps and shit.